Make a great choice today with the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.